Hello, this is Eric at Prince Short Ford, and we're taking a look at the 2021 Ford F-350 in a Lariat trim and powered by a 7.3 liter V8 engine, providing you with plenty of power for towing, hauling, and 4x4ing, and coming with the Tremor Off-Road Package, providing you with things such as a level kit, adding some extra height, some bigger off-road tires, platform running boards there, as you can see. You have some nice heavy-duty mud flaps on the front and rear tires as well, but let's take a look inside. And first, looking in the back seat, where you have seating for 3 with a nice full leather interior. In the middle, you have fold-out armrests with 2 cup holders, as well as having 2 more in the middle here, with a 12-volt USB and USB-C and a 110-volt power outlet, as well as having heated rear seats. Then the seats can also be folded up and out of the way to accommodate any other cargo you might want to put back here, and reveal your collapsible storage box underneath, which can be locked at the hinge for some extra security. And this truck does also come with a remote start, so no need to go outside on those cold mornings to warm up your vehicle. And looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks, power folding and telescoping towing mirrors as well, and 3 memory buttons for your power adjustable driver's seat, steering wheel, pedals, and your mirrors once again. And now sitting in the truck with it running and looking at the steering wheel, on the right hand side you have your hands-free phone and radio controls, and on the left you have your cruise controls as well as your controls for your center info screen here, where you can cycle through things such as your trip 1 and 2 information, your fuel economy, fuel history, and compass. Then you also have truck info such as tire pressures, digital speedometer, engine info, transmission temperature, maintenance monitor, and then you have your towing status and information, your off-road status, and settings for your screen and some other features around your vehicle, as well as having a My View, which is sort of a favorite screen for any of those subcategories for ease of access. But then moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is, if we go to audio, it is radio, Sirius, and Bluetooth, so you do have some options there for whatever you want to listen to, however you want to listen to it. And then you have your digital climate controls with dual front climate and a heated steering wheel, so you can keep your fingers warm in the colder months. Your Bluetooth phone controls, your navigation screen, so you're hopefully not going to get lost on your travels, whatever apps you may have installed, and then settings for your screen and some other features around your vehicle. Then shifting into reverse, you do also have a backup camera with reverse sensors, so you're going to be able to see where you're going, hopefully avoid hitting anything, with dynamic hitch view, so you can zoom in and hopefully have an easier time hooking up a trailer or something of the sort. And then above your screen, you have your traction control shut off, your hazards, lane departure or lane keeping system, and then unique to the Tremor package, you have a sort of on-trail cruise control. Trail control is what it's actually called. And then you do also have a premium B&O audio system in this truck, so your music or whatever you're listening to is going to sound pretty decent. But then moving down from your screen, you have your media controls and then your climate controls. Once again, dual front climate, but also heated and air-conditioned front seats. To the left of that, you have your 4x4 controls with a locking rear differential and trailer brake controller beneath that. And on the right, you have a 12-volt and 110-volt power outlet there. Then you have a compartment down here revealing another USB and USB-C, as well as your wireless charging pad, so if your phone is compatible with wireless charging, just throw it on there and it will charge. Then moving on to your column shifter, which does have select shift, so you can manually shift through your gears, and then your drive mode selector at the end of that, with normal, tow haul, eco, slippery, deep snow, sand, and the let's get that out of the way, your off-road use rock crawl mode, which is also unique to the Tremor, just for when you're off-roading in this truck. It gives you some more control. And then you have your center console area with 2 cup holders, can be turned into 4, or you can just have plenty of space for all of your stuff there. And then you have your lockable center compartment / armrest with plenty of room inside, as well as another 12-volt power outlet there. And then looking back, you have a power sliding rear window and 6 upfitter switches up here, which can be wired up however you need. And last but not least, a twin panel moonroof, so you can let in the sunshine on a nice sunny day. That should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, feel free to give us a call at 250-563-8111, or just come on down to the dealership and have a look for yourself, and have a nice day.